I'm back, your Pawan Kanu sir, and today I have brought a new type of technique how to multiply, and actually it is old technique, and it is made in and it is called Japanese multiplication. And in my previous video, I have said you that how can we remember the multiplication table of 1 to 20. I have requested you students to memorize the multiplication table from 1 to 20, but there are some students who may say, who may complain that sorry sir, we can't memorize them. So don't worry, I have got next method, I have a different idea. You can try this in your rough copy during your multiplication. Whenever you need to multiply, then you can use this method here. So Japanese multiplication, and here what we have to do, I will give you one example, that is a simple example. 12 times 14. When you have to multiply 12 times 14, you have to take you have to make lines, and by the help of crossing lines you can find a value, or you can find product between 12 times 14. So first we'll take about 12, then here is 1, and next number is 2, little bit farther 2. Now next is 14, among 14 there is 1, so 1, and little bit farther the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 4 areas, 2, 3, 4. These 2 areas we have to add. We have to just make the sum of these 2 areas, and this comes down and down and down. So how many crossing points are there? Just 1. So it is 1. And how many crossing points are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 crossing points to the right side, so we write 8. So next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 2 crossing points are here, plus 4 crossing points are down. So 4 plus 2, 6, and these are the digits in the product of 12 times 14. So the value comes 1, 6, 8. You can check your value in your calculator also. Multiplication of 12 times 14, you will get 168. Now next question. Let us take next example, little bit bigger than tens. Now let us take 20s. 24 times 35. Then now let us make 2. 1, 2, and the next digit 1, 2, 3, 4. Now another digit 1, 2, 3. Next digit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is one section. These and these sections together will be called a single section, and the last section. Now let us count the crossing points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you will keep 6. Next crossing point to the right right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll write here 20. Don't worry. Actually, there must be a 3-digit number. It can go to the 4th digit, but here you will not get a 2-digit. Don't worry. Here you will get a hint why it comes to a 20 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Then here all in total 12 plus 10, 22, and 20 and 6. Now how to manage these numbers? 6, 22 and 20. You have to just take 0 from here and 2 goes to the 22 and it will get added. 22 plus 2 you will get 24 and you will just pull down 4 and 0 and this 2 will go to the next side, means ones area. It is the area of ones, tens and hundred. Ones, tens and hundreds. So you have to put only one digit in the digit of ones. So you will get just 0 to put here. And the rest tens will go to the area of tens. So 22 plus 4, 2 will get 24 and you will get 4 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place, and 2 will be added to the 6 and you will get 8 here. So you will get 8 in the hundreds place. So the total product of 24 times 35 is 840. And similarly you can do 3 by 3 multiplication also. Okay, if you are still in doubt, let us take one more example. 21 times 13. 1, 2 for the 2. 1 for the 1. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. This area is for ones. This area is for tens. This area is for hundreds. In total, 1, 2, 3 crossings. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the area of tens, and 1, 2, 2. Total 273. So the product of 21 times 13 is 273. Now, if you find it difficult or you find it boring, just making lines, I don't want to make lines, it takes more pages, it's just a fun. But okay, let us take another process. 22 times 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 times 4, write your cross, 4 2 times 8, 4 2s are 8. 4, 12, 1, 9. So this is a basic method, normal method. Then what is the new thing I have explained here? Nothing. There is nothing explained new. Now I am going to explain new. The same thing. The same multiplication. 2 to 22, 4 and 2, 42 times. And here we multiply from the right. Now here we will multiply from left. 4 times 2 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4. We have got 9 to 4. Here we got 8 and 4, thus 84. And how to find the middle digit? Cross multiply between them. 2 times 4 plus 4 times 8. You will get 12. And you have to take just 2 here. And this one will come with 8. 8 plus 1, you will get 9. I think now you will find it easier multiplying this type of way. This one is little bit bigger, longer. It will take time, but convenient. And this one is also convenient if you practice more. If you practice more times, then you will get this one more convenient. So let us do one more example. 12 times 69. A bigger number, 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. You write here 1. And 1 times 6 is 6. Now cross multiply between 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 9 is 9. and 1 added. Altogether 9, 10, 12 to 1, 22. We'll add 2 here and 2 will go towards the 6. 6 plus 2 you'll get 8. So 8. So the product of 12 and 69 is 828. So one more example related to this type of multiplication. 56 times 42, a little bit bigger numbers. So 6 times 2 is 12 and 1 comes to the 5, and 5 times 4 is 20. Now we have to find the missing digit. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 5 times 2 then 10, and plus 1 this digit. So what will you get here? 4 into 1, 4, 1, 5, 2 and 1, 3, 5. Now 3 is the extra number left, then it comes here, 20 plus 3, 23. So you write here 2, 3, 5, 2. So the product of 56 times 42 is 2352. So students, now this one for today, and don't forget to like the video, share and comment in the videos. If you really find it funny and helpful, then share among with your friends and try to share this video among all your groups so that other students and other friends will get benefited from this video. And I just want to say this much. So till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye.